Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my channel. Today we will do the first year mathematics chapter number 11, fundamental of trigonometry, exercise 11.1 on page number 341. So let's start our exercise. We will do according to the examination of 2021 reduced syllabus. So let's start. First, exercise 11.1, we have to find the period of the following function. So firstly, we are given with the function f of x. It is a trigonometric function. If we add p into any function, the value of fx remains same, then p is the period of f of x. This can be clarified by the example. Example is sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Now if we add 360 into 30, we get 390. So sin 390, so sin 390 is 1 by 2, which values are equal. So we can say that 360, or in radian form 2 pi, is the period of sin 30. So this is the simple concept, and the main point to remember this exercise is this, that sin cos has the period of 2 pi, and tangent theta and cot theta have the period of pi, and sin opposite is cosecant. It also has a period of 2 pi. Sin reciprocal is cosecant, so it also has the period of 2 pi, and cos reciprocal is secant, so it also has the period of 2 pi. So this is the main point to solve exercise 11.1. Now moving towards exercise 11.1 on page number 341. Question number 1 is included in the reduced syllabus. We have to find the period of sin 3x. As we know that the period of sin theta is 2 pi, so sin 3x is equal to v plus the period of sin with the given value in the question. So sin 3x plus 2 pi. It becomes sin 3x plus 2 pi. Now next we take the 3 common, and this 3 divides by 2. So we get sin 3 bracket by taking 3 common, x plus 2 divided by 3 pi. So 2 divided by 3 pi is the period of sin x. So this is the solution of part number 1. Now question number 4, cot x divided by 2, we have to find the period of this function. Period of cot is pi because cot is a reciprocal of tangent theta, which period is pi. So the period of cot would be pi. Cot x divided by 2 is equal to cot divided by 2 plus pi. Now taking 1 by 2 common, because we want the value of x alone without any number, so we take 1 by 2 common, and this would multiply by 2 pi. So we get that 2 pi is the period of cot x divided by 2. Next we are having question number 9, in which tangent x divided by 7, we have to find the function. Then period of tangent theta, we know that pi, so tangent x divided by 7 is equal to tangent x divided by 7 quotient value plus the period of tangent is pi. Now taking 1 by 7 common, because we want the value of x alone, so taking 1 by 2 common, we get x plus this 7 is multiplied with pi, so we get 7 pi. So the period of x divided by 7 is 7 pi. So the question number 11, secant 9x, we have to find the function of this. Secant is a reciprocal of cos. Its period is 2 pi because the period of cos theta is 2 pi. Now sec 9x is equal to sec the value of quotient which is 9x plus the period 2 pi. Now taking 9 common, we get 9 bracket x plus 2 pi divided, this 9 would divide by 2. So we get 2 pi divided by 9. 2 pi divided by 9 is the period of sec 9x. Question number 12, cosecant 10x. We have to find the period of this value. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, so its period is 2 pi. 10x plus the period of cosecant is 2 pi. Now taking in common, we get pi divided by 5. 2 pi divided by 10. From here 2 pi divided by 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, we get pi by 5. This is the period of cosecant 10x. Now moving towards the last question of this exercise, which is question number 15. 3 cos x divided by 5. So period of cos is 2 pi. So we will not change the value of 3. 3 would be remain on its place. So 3 cos x divided by 5 is equal to 3 cos x divided by 5 plus the period 2 pi. Now taking 1 by 5 common, we get x plus this 5 would multiply by 2, we get 10 pi. So 10 pi is the period of 3 cos x divided by 5. This was the exercise 11.1. I hope you all like this video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.